Today, I'll show you 6 design mistakes in a bedroom and how to fix them. Let's get started. At first glance, this layout looks fine, but everything's sitting at ground level and none of the vertical space is being used. In a small room, using the height can make a huge difference, so try lifting the bed and add storage underneath. This layout feels a bit chaotic. The furniture is scattered without a clear flow, and the couch is too close to the storage, with the bed awkwardly facing it, which completely throws the balance off. Line things up by placing the headboard along the width of the room so it connects naturally with the closet. It instantly feels more intentional and balanced. This setup makes the room feel like a closet with just a small spot for the bed. Flip the layout and use the back of the storage unit to define a proper closet area. The rest of the room stays open, airy, and way more practical. Placing all furniture along the walls might seem obvious, but in a space like this, it actually disrupts the flow. Don't be afraid to pull some pieces into the center. Using a wardrobe as a divider creates distinct zones for sleeping and lounging without closing off the room. Covering every wall with identical storage makes the room feel repetitive and kind of heavy. Mix it up by combining open shelves with closed cabinets and vary the furniture style. It adds depth and keeps the space feeling dynamic and personal. This layout has hardly any zoning. Storage, seating, and work areas are scattered, which makes the room feel chaotic and inefficient, so create clear zones. One for rest, one for work, and one for storage. It keeps the space organized and helps you switch activities effortlessly. There you go, 6 design mistakes and how to fix them. Before you go, here's a quick little recap. Use your vertical space. Lift the bed and add storage underneath to make the most of a small room's height. Align for better flow. Arrange furniture thoughtfully so the layout feels balanced and intentional. Redefine the layout. Use storage to define the closet area and keep the rest of the room open and airy. Don't push everything to the walls. Floating furniture and using dividers creates better flow and clear zones. Break up the monotony. Mix open and closed storage and vary furniture styles to add personality and depth. Zone with purpose. Define clear zones for rest, work, and storage to stay organized and functional. Thanks so much for watching, and make sure to subscribe to the channel so you never miss a video.